Good morning, everybody. So I'm doing small hike to like a big hill, man. So I just entered first part of the road, the starting point of it. Anyways, next week I'll try to do the famous 100 kilometers around the Vilnius hike. I'll try to do it in just one go. One day of walking. Yeah, so reaching the first point, which is the church and the cemetery just behind it, and going further. And there's information about this. Yeah. The point of my hike today is what distance I can cover with additional weight which I have on my back. I'll check the time and I can judge if I can cover all 100 kilometers around the Vilnius in just one go. How feasible is that for me specifically? Today I'm having only 10 kilos weight on my back. Going strong. Oh, there's the screen. Okay, I'm gonna waste some time. Okay. Checkpoint number 3. And we're gonna go only to number 6. Basically on a hill over there. There's like highest point in the Vilnius. Alright then, see another. Yeah, I love that. Today we have brilliant weather. Sunshine and stuff. Nice. Good weather. Nice bright sunshine really brings up the mood, gives you energy, positivity and stuff like that. Anyways, keep on walking. Ta-da. And there you go. I'm on the next checkpoint. Yeah, it's just lovely to breathe in the fresh air from the pine trees and the other ones. I'm including everyone, guys. Calm down, don't cancel me. And yeah, and just to have a nice walk in a lovely forest. Birds are singing their last songs from the season because the winter is approaching really soon, mate. It's gonna be cool. Anyways, finished most of the way, basically. Not really most, but I mean most, 70% roughly. Yeah, soon gonna be on the top of the hill. I'll show you the views. It's a really nice place, to be honest. Yeah, and then I'm gonna check the time and discuss if we can go on the next hike, which is gonna be terribly long, but with way less gear. Look at me. I took so much weight. Now, as a teenager, I used to ride in this forest with my motocross bike. It was really fun times. Would be nice to get one more someday. There you go. And I'm on the spot. There used to be like a skiing track down here. Probably that was the cashier or something. Oh, there is sightseeing platform. That's nice. So that's the power plant. And we are here at the end of the road. Okay, I need to stop the other thing. Okay, let's continue. We have really nice views from this platform. Oh my god, I can hear an eagle screeching somewhere. Noise. Okay, now that's it. Now that is nice. This thing is new, like I have been here before, previous year. Amazing. Good job, people. There's a river going, and we can see TV tower. Cool. You can hear some birds shouting on each other. There's a bird there and somewhere there as well. Stop fighting! Jesus. Oh, there you go, there you go. He flies to get the business done. Aggressive birds these days. Oh yeah, and the power plant. Cool. Gonna go see the other side. There's the other power plant, which is working, which is supplying Panere with power. As you can see, there's steam going, so it definitely works. You can hear a helicopter somewhere down the road. Beautiful. Oh yeah, and remnants of when there was a ski thing downhill here. Ski track. This is used to be the motor probably. Or the ski pool. Yeah. It seems like that. That's cool. Leo Panare. It means she made Panere in Lithuanian. Yeah, cool, cool. Oh look, there's a switch in Russian. Puek. What the fuck's that? Let's check if it works. Surprise, surprise, it doesn't. Oh, I was expecting. Yeah, but you still have the motor inside and stuff. Well, it's cool. Can't see any dates. Let's go back to the other side. Okay. Now we're approaching the other side, which is really steep. And there also used to be a ski track. Going down, there's a motor and stuff. But the main attraction of this place is definitely the view, and it's really steep. Like in here, where I'm standing is 160 meters above sea level, and just down there is like I think 80. Yeah, so we have like now 80 meters climb in really short distance, basically. I mean, it's really steep. Yeah, you can see everything from here. It's amazing. I love it. Never seen crab this big, and I guess probably I stepped on it by mistake. Wasn't watching where I was going. Sad. Probably gonna need to finish him off. Ta-da! My speed was 5.6 kilometers per hour on average. This doesn't look too good. That would take 17.8 hours of walking. Anyway, since I'm gonna be way lighter, it means of backpack, only water, raincoat, extra jumper, and hammock, and that's it. I mean, the phone probably, maybe gimbal. It's gonna be like, anyways, it's gonna be 1/3, maybe a quarter of the weight. Plus, of course, the backpack. Maybe I could just run some parts of it. Down the slope. Yeah, I fucking hate going downhill. It always hurts your knees, like, you know, when you're like older than 27 or so. Anyways, oh shit. Yeah, some parts are muddy, which makes it slippery. Oh fuck. Okay. So many plants. I was walking here, I think in the spring. There's less plants in here. It looked way different. Oh, these motherfuckers. I think they're catching like bugs and stuff. It's like a funnel thing. Yeah. They look nice. Maybe they're not catching, but maybe they're just for the pollen, but it really resembles those from like, you know, Amazon River and stuff. Okay. Okay, I don't remember that way. It's being that way, it's like getting steeper. I might fall on the next path, the next part. It's fucking steep. I'm looking at the camera, it doesn't look steep, it looks like okay. But fuck me, it looks steep in here. I'll take one photo, because on a photo camera, it sure does look more realistic. Okay, what would you choose? Would you choose muddy trail or wet grass? Choose your destiny. I don't know. Maybe I'll try to walk a certain amount. Okay, you can see, is it slipping? Because it doesn't slip here, doesn't mean it won't slip further down there. Oh, there's some sounds of wood cracking. Who the fuck is there? Probably some wild animals. Have this, but it doesn't guarantee you safety. Okay, try to walk sideways. Oh shit, okay, I'm falling. That's terrible. Okay, okay. I'll try the grass. Yeah, grass has a little bit more traction. We should walk around or straight? Straight. What do you think I am? Hey, lady? Okay, I believe I'm gonna talk too much bullshit and then I'm gonna fall. Oh fuck me, I got scared because these motherfuckers kept moving and making sounds. So I thought, who the fuck is behind me? Okay. Okay, let's just walk. We can do it. We're great. We're amazing. Okay. The most terrible part is over. Jesus. Okay. Now it's just the child's play. Shoo-ba-doo-ba-doo, where are you? I'm going through. And you can see the thing which used to pull the people uphill. La la la. Yeah, I was over there by those trees. That's fucking steep as fuck. Okay. And you used to have way less trees on a hill. Just like a few years ago. You know what happened? It just like started booming. All my childhood there was no trees. What the fuck? I mean, it's all good. I love trees, but oh cool. Found some blackberries on my way back. That's nice. Some bugs eating some nectar. Okay, dokie, what are those? Some wild birds.